Hi everyone, it's Sam from the Bodycentre here. Welcome to our YouTube channel. The Bodycentre is an accident repair and vehicle refinishing centre based in Norfolk. We have a passion for repairing and customising vehicles to the highest standard possible. Come with us behind the scenes and follow our journey. Hello everyone, Sam from the Bodycentre here. This week we have a lovely Audi SQ7 on site. We're doing a lot of work to this car. It's got some accident damage that needs repair and painting. We're adding some real cool colours to the car, doing the calipers, a load of accessories being changed over, window tints. It's then going up to TBC detailing to then have a full premium package as well. Now we're going to show you the condition of this car before we start the detailing. It's a black car and it's covered in swirls. It's in really bad condition, to be fair, so the before and after video of this is gonna be huge. Keep watching guys, let's get into the video. So guys, we are now in the strip and fit department with the SQ7. Now there is all sorts going on in this one. The wheels are going black diamond cut. So they're still gonna have the diamond cut face with the black insert. The calipers, they're off. They're going a real vibrant lime green. We've got all the sort of grey metallic trims on the car. They're all going body color. In the rear doors, we have the little Quattro logo. That's gonna be touched in lime green. All the badges are going black with the red boxes going lime green. We've got an RS style honeycomb grille going in the front. We need to black that out because the one we've been supplied has a chrome edge. We've got window tints being done. We've got new tyres going on. We've got, what else have we got? There's loads going on. I'll obviously walk you through the video guys and show you everything we're doing. Once we are finished in the workshop down here, it's then going up to TBC detailing to have our premium package. As you've seen from the start of the video, the interior is pretty bad. But obviously, as you all know, once it's done, it's going to look absolutely incredible. The paintwork is horrific, so this is going to take a lot of hard work in the detail inside to bring this paintwork up to pristine condition. We're then going to be putting our 8-year protection matrix black ceramic coat on top, so it's going to be fully protected. What I've just remembered as well, there's also some large impact to the near side front wing. I think I'll have to check the paperwork. I think I put down for a new wing on this one. So yeah, as you said, that's been taken off, and we'll have a new one going on there as well. Scuff on the bumpers, we're painting the bumper. It's all going on. It's going off, guys. Hope you're enjoying the video. Please like this video, share this to your friends, comment, let us know what you think. Let's get into the next stage. So guys, as you can now see, we are on the wash pad with Giles. He's now doing the full decontamination wash on the SQ7, ready to move into the bay to start the correction. This is in very bad condition, the paintwork and the interior, so big job on for Giles and Radek on this SQ7. Let's finish this off and get into the bay. What do you reckon?
Ridiculous, man.
You like it?
Wow. Oh my god, you've done that as well. That is the bollocks. What a new car, mate.
So guys, we now come to the end of the video. What a transformation. I cannot believe the difference from the start to the finish of this job. It's insane. The RS grille completely transformed that front end. The caliper color, it just works perfectly with this body color. Awesome color theme. Now the rear moldings, as you've seen, we actually color coded the car. I had a black pack. The little Quattro logo is in them rear moldings, was very carefully touched in, very steady hand needed there, but they've come out lovely. They look great. And the TBC detailing package, I cannot believe how good it looks. Me and Jake filmed it out here earlier, and it was generally hard to film because the gloss levels of this car were insane. Our premium package, obviously, as you guys pretty much know, includes a 3-stage paint correction, the 8-year matrix black ceramic coating to the whole exterior, including the wheels, including the calipers. We've done the full interior valet as well and put matrix repel on that whole interior to keep the interior real fresh and repellent for any spilt drinks, etc. in there. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have any inquiries, any repair work, any custom work, any detailing work, drop us a message. We cover all avenues of the motor repair industry. See you guys next time.